A PN photodiode fabricated from semiconductor with a band gap of, what is band gap? E gap C energy 2.5 electron volt. That's all. It can detect a signal of wavelength. This is like photoelectric effect. Already we have discussed about in 12th standard 7th chapter. Remember? Development photoelectric effect. Okay. Which one convert into current? Light. That means intensity of light. Am I correct or not? It is converted into photoelectric current. What is the reason of emitted electrons from the metal surface? On instant light energy on the metal surface. Now photoelectrons are, that means electrons are ejected from the metal surface. That emitted electrons from the metal surface is called photoelectrons. And reaching anode, current pulse is produced. That is called the photoelectric current. That's all. So keep in that mind that point. Very important this. So here it can detect a signal of wavelength. So here famous formula E is equal to h nu. Energy of photon, no, photon means light. E is h nu. If we want to calculate wavelength, I am correct or not? So E is equal to hc by lambda. Lambda because of c is equal to nu lambda. So lambda is equal to hc by E. Both are constant. 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Energy 2.5 electron volt. We must convert into joules. Already told you. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules. Therefore, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules. Now, I am simplifying. Now gets lambda is equal to 5000 angstrom. I am simplifying. What is the option? No. Okay. What is the meaning of this? It can detect a signal of wavelength. So calculated wavelength is equal to 5000 angstrom. What is the relation between frequency and wavelength? Inversely. I am correct or not? Nu is equal to c by lambda. This is constant. So inversely proportional. So here needed wavelength should be less than 5000 angstrom. Very good. Okay. So which option? Okay. Fourth option. 4000 angstrom. 4000 nanometer means what is nano? In second option. Nano means 10 power minus 9. Am that or not? Okay. So 10 power minus 9. It is correct or not? Second option. Wrong. Here calculated value it is an angstrom. Already told you 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. So needed wavelength should be less than this value. So fourth option. Then frequency will be more. Am that or not? Frequency will be more. So now only it can detect a signal of signal polarizer. So answer is fourth option, 4000 angstrom. Very very important this. Keep in mind like a photoelectric effect. Okay. Next 16. The symbol or symbolic representation of 4 logic gates. What is this? AB inputs, only one output. Bubble no. So NAND gate, NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. The logic symbol for first OR, NOT and NAND. Okay. First OR, where is OR? Last. Okay. That means the fourth one. First, not second one. NAND first one. So option is very simple. This option is first 4, second, third first. So second option. Okay, fourth, second, first. That's all clear. A PN photodiode is made of a material with a band gap. So energy is equal to 2.0 electron volt or 2 electron volt. That's all. It is converted into joules. 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules. Okay. The minimum frequency of the radiations that can be absorbed by the material is nearly. Okay, very simple this. It is absorbed by the metal surface. Very famous formula is equal to H nu. Here asking frequency. So nu is equal to E by H. Okay, it is E 2 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules. H 6.62 6 into 10 power minus 34. So this 3.2 into 10 power minus 19 by 6.626 into 10 power minus 34. On simplifying, it gets nu is equal to 4.8 into 10 power 14 minutes. It is almost is equal to 5 into 10 power 14 minutes. That's all. So option is second option. That's all. You know about simplification? No problem. Okay. Then question number 18. Pure silicon at 500 Kelvin has equal number of electron and holes. Okay, already told you. Intrinsic semiconductor. Number of free electrons and holes are equal. Pure, no impure. Electron Ne and hole NH. Concentrations of 1.5 into 10 power 16 per meter cube. This is N suffix I. So here N suffix I means intrinsic concentration. What? Intrinsic concentration. Doping by indium increases NH2. This is NH value. Okay. This is NH value per meter cube. 4.5 to 10 power 22 meter cube. The doped semiconductor is off. What is the purpose of doping? Doping. Tamil mass ஊட்டுறதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. மில்க் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேன், வாட்டர் நம்ம மிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா மில்க் மாஸா பியூர். ஆஃப்டர் மிக்சிங் வாட்டர் இன்டு த மில்க் என்ன ஆனது மாஸ் கெட்டுப்படும். எதுக்காக நம்ம தண்ணியை மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுறோம்? பால் கரெக்டாக நான் பால் தரேன், தண்ணியை மிக்ஸ் பண்ணிடுறான். 2 லிட்டர் பால் தான் கரெக்டாக மாடு. என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? வாட்டரில் மில்க் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுறாங்களா இல்லை மில்கில் வாட்டர் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுறாங்களா? தண்ணி தான் பாலில் கலக்குறாங்க. கரெக்டா? என்ன சரி, என்ன மீனிங் புரியுதா? ஓகே வெயிட். எதுக்காக நம்ம வாட்டர் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுறோம்? லிட்டர் என்ன ஆகும்? ஜாஸ்தி ஆகும், காசு சம்பாதிக்கலாம். கரெக்டா? ஸோ ஹியர் வாட் இஸ் த பர்பஸ் ஆஃப் டோப்பிங் இன் செமிகண்டக்டர்? டு இன்க்ரீஸிங் எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் கண்டக்டிவிட்டி. பால்கார எப்படி தண்ணி மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுறாங்களோ அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம டோப் பண்ணுறதுனால செமிகண்டக்டருடைய கண்டக்டிவிட்டி என்ன பண்ணலாம்? இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணலாம். Increasing electrical conductivity. So, okay, the doped semiconductor, P type or N type. The famous formula. At the same time, what is P type? Holes, majority charge carriers, electrons, minority charge carriers. What is N type semiconductor? N negative. Electrons are majority charge carriers, holes are minority charge carriers. Okay, electrons are free electrons. So here 18. The famous formula Ni square is equal to Ne and NH. Okay. Intrinsic concentration. Direct formula N suffix I square is equal to Ne and NH. Here we want to calculate with electron. Correct? So here we want to calculate Ne. Number of electrons, Ne means number of electrons, NH means number of volts. Ni means intrinsic concentration. So Na is equal to Ni square by NH. Correct? What is Ni? 1.5. Correct or not? 1.5 into 10 power 16 per meter cube whole square. NH 4.5. Correct? Okay. 4.5 into 10 power 22. So 1.5 whole square. Correct? 32. Okay. 4.5 into 10 power 22. Now it gets N is equal to, after simplifying, this clear? After simplifying, N is equal to 5 into 10 power 9 per meter cube. After simplifying, N is equal to 5 into 10 power 9 per meter cube. This is the number of electrons. So, comparing this value with 4 pi into 10 power 22, this is NH. So, comparing here, this value less than comparing this value. Therefore, Ne less than NH. So, in p type, holes majority, free electrons minority. In n type, electrons are majority, holes. So here p type having electron concentrations, Na is equal to 5 to 10 power 9 per meter cube. Okay. Question number 19. Very important question. This it is related to Zener diode. What is Zener diode? It is works in reverse bias, at the same time works in only operated in breakdown region. Okay. So a Zener diode having breakdown voltage, it is equal to 15 volt. Okay. Is used in a voltage regulator, one of the character of Zener diode. Circuit shown in the figure. This is the figure. The current through the diode. What is current through the diode? We want to calculate here current through this diode. That means the current through the Zener diode. Iz is equal to question mark. Okay. At the same time, this is input voltage. This is output voltage gets across load resistor, that is called RL. At the same time, this is called RS, current limiting resistor. So the current through this resistor called IS, or current from the source, it is equal to I. This current flow through this resistor. At the same time, at this point, this current it is divided into two groups. So through load resistor and through Zener diode. Through Zener diode, that is called IZ. Through load resistor, that is called IL. Okay, very simple. At the same time, here input voltage 20 volt. This is divided into two across this resistor and across this diode. This is 15 volt. So across this resistor will be 5 volt. Totally 20 volt. Clear? Okay. So here we want to calculate Zener current. What to do? For calculating this current, we have to calculate current from the battery or source. Okay. So according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R. What is V? 5. across this resistor correct or not? So here we want to calculate current through this resistor. So I will V by R. The potential drop across this resistor V. The resistors of this resistor R. So V value 5 volt. R 250 ohm. Okay. So 5 by 250. 5 by 250. Okay. It is equal to okay 0.02. R 1, 2, 3 into 10 power minus 3. Okay. R 20 milliampere. 20 milliampere. This is ISR. Total current. Okay. At the same time, this total current is equal to, we can written as IZ plus IL, correct? Because at this point divided into two currents. இது கிணறு தான் ஞாபகம் கிணத்துல ஒரு 10 லிட்டர் தண்ணி வெளியே வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. இந்த இடத்துல ரெண்டு காவாவை பிரிஞ்சு போகுது. இந்த காவா வழியா கொஞ்சம் தண்ணியும் இந்த காவா வழியா கொஞ்சம் தண்ணியும் பிரிஞ்சு போகும். இந்த காவா வழியா போயிட்டு இருக்கிற தண்ணி சேர்ந்தது இதுக்கு ஈக்குவலா இருக்குமா? தட்ஸ் ஆல். enough. So I is equal to IZ plus IL. That's all. IZ is equal to I minus IL. என்ன கட்டாயமா? இது இதை விட அதிகமா தான். Clear? So IZ is equal to I minus IL. I okay. IL load current again applying Ohm's law. E is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R. Clear? So I is, that means IL is equal to V. There is no V, but understood. Across this resistor, sorry, this Zener diode 15 volt. Here also will be 15 volt. Why? Because of this two, that means this devices in parallel combination. When connected in parallel combination, potential drop across each resistor will be same. Okay, already we have discussed about this in second unit. Combination of resistors. That's all. So here 15 inga kudukla. But here given, so understood. Here also will be 15 volt. That's all. Very very important this. So V by RL. This V 15. Load resistor value 1 kilo ohm. Kilo means 10 power 3. That is equal to 1000. So 1000. So okay. IL is equal to 15 milliampere. That's all. I is equal to 20 milliampere. Therefore, IZ is equal to I minus IL. What is I? 20 milliampere minus IL 15 milliampere is equal to 5 milliampere. Fourth option. Very simple. Clear? Okay. Next. 20th one. Last question. Two ideal diodes. That means what is ideal diodes? There is no potential barrier limit. Are connected to battery as shown in the circuit. The circuit supplied by the sorry, this is not a circuit. This is wrong. Current supplied by the batteries. Not circuit. Current supplied by the batteries. Current supplied by the battery. This is 5 volt battery. Plus and minus. Two diodes. PN junction diodes. Already told you just now. Diode PN junction diode works in forward bias only, not in reverse bias. Clear? So here, what is forward bias? Positive terminal of the external battery connected with the P end and the negative terminal of the external battery with the connected with the N end. Now only it is in forward bias. See here, which one is forward bias? Very good. D1 is forward bias. This is reverse bias, inactive. cancel this. So this circuit we can draw like this. This is 10 ohm. This is 5 volt. That's all. This is I from this battery. This I, that means current flowing through this diode. That is called I. So I is equal to V by R. What is V? 5. Okay. Because of this voltage exists across this. And that or not? So 5 R value 10. So 0.5 ampere. Last option. So answer is 0.5. Okay. Clear? Any doubt in this? That means semiconductor devices. Very very important this. Keep in your mind. Very simple topic this. After, that means you completed this unit, 8 marks in your pocket, not my pocket, in your pocket. Okay, thank you.